So today I will talk about a scrapper kind of thing. Its name is JGD.py. So it's actually a Git cloner or Git downloader. So what it does is when I am suppose taking a big repository, like suppose I am wanting to clone this Linux and I am not wanting to clone the whole repository. Suppose I am wanting to clone this one from Red Solomon in Linux, and only these 4 files I'm wanting to clone. So in the case of GitHub, there are several other ways to do it, like for example using authentication token, using GitHub developer programs token and other things. And there are suppose many tools which uses token and are not free. So what I have done is I have built a program which scraps this and downloads any folder or subfolder or repository for free. Now the pros of this is that we don't need to clone the whole repository, and the con of this is that every time a repository is cloned using this JGD software, we have to reclone it if the changes are made, since it is not Git. So if it was Git, if we did a Git pull, then it would have been affected, but we have to reclone it every time. So I am here at this JGD repository. So you need to clone this, and so firstly how we need to run is python jgd.py, and suppose we are only wanting this 4 file. So this link we have to put it here. So it's almost like a Git cloner. So what it will do is it will scrap it using that Gecko driver, and it will convert it into a document tree type of structure, and then it will start downloading. See, it's too fast. So we have downloaded it, and it's see, Linux library, read Solomon, decoders.c. there are 4 files. Decoders.c, let's see this, ls cd linux, let's cd lib, ls cd read Solomon. So let's see encode rs.c. Yes, it has been downloaded. So it's pretty simple application, and it is too much useful nowadays since everything is getting paid and this is available for free. So now let's download a repository. So let's download this Wisp. This has been written by me, and let's download it. Let's see if it is able to download it fully or not. So there are too many folders. We are directly cloning it using this. So this will actually be a kind of alternative to cloner if your cloner is, if you just want to clone the files, not make the Git repo. So what it does is it takes them and it will find the JS navigation link, that class attribute from the links, and it will collect them, and then what it will do is it will convert the files and the links into a document tree structure of all the folders, and then it will convert that files or blob to GitHub user content. And from that, see, this is the document kind of thing, means document object model kind of thing. This is actually the folder view. I have done it like this using JSON. It was pretty much hard to do this, and it is downloading using the wget model, very simple model. And then after that we will see that it will clone the whole repository in a few minutes. Obviously this will take a more time than the usual Git clone since it is scrapping it, but it's pretty much done. So this is Wisp. See, everything is present. So this works pretty much fine, and it is very much useful for nowadays. So you can start this and use it. It will be licensed under GNU public license GPL version 3. So use it and contribute it if you can make any changes or anything, or feel free to give some issues if you find any bugs or something. So thanks for watching.